Good morning everyone, and for today's get ready with me, it's even going to be super quick. It's like just three products for today, so it's not going to take you a lot of time. Here the key is, I would say, we can call it a medium coverage because I have two products that will give you what is it, like a very sheer coverage, but when you mix them it's going to be like a medium coverage, or even we call it heavy. So that's what I feel. So that is the versatility about a package like this, because from this you have three different looks. So you can I have the powder, the natural translucent powder. I have CCTM. You can change it to the foundation too. So you get one what is it, like creamy power consistency one, and one powder. So because powder is not all day wear, so you can throw it anytime you want. You can layer it. So for example, powder is never an all day wear, so powder cannot stay all day like a creamy consistency one. So that's why I'm showing different looks using this. So for people who use CCTM, and if you have oily skin and if you feel like you need something extra to go, then you can do the powder on top of the CCTM, or even on top of the foundation, just to absorb the excess oil in it. Or you can even first do the powder. That way it can first absorb the oils and then do the CCTM on top of it. And but when you mix them, what it does is it gives a consistency that is little more thicker than they are on its own. So that way you will get more coverage. So let's go ahead and do it. The natural translucent powder has what is it, like many good properties in it. Not only it has a Stanaplex complex like every other product, but it has an ingredient that is for an anti-wrinkle property. So it's like a powder that has anti-aging benefits. I don't think you will get much on the market, and it's so tiny, and also it doesn't clog your pores like the other products. And it also very what is it, like minute, that it doesn't evaporate. It is like a perfect coverage for you for the day. So let me go ahead and mix it. What I do is, for my mixing purpose, I take it in a separate container. That way I can take how much ever I need it, and mix it with the CCTM or foundation. This is my blending palette, so I'm going to take both of them here. That way I can easily mix. Let me take half a pump of the CCTM here, and then the powder. I hope you can see it. So I have taken half a pump of CCTM with a little bit of powder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just use the back of the brush and just mix them. So as I mentioned, this is going to make the consistency little more thicker than the normal one. That way you get a better coverage than them alone. Let me go ahead and do my stippling brush and use it. So I'm just going to touch it and start applying it. I have used CCTM in medium to deep. That's my shade. And with the powders, we have three different ones. We have a silver rose, we have bronze dust, and the natural translucent powder. So silver rose, you can use it as a blush, and the bronze dust, you can use it as your bronzer or contouring. Pretty much they blend so well. So or else, if for everyday use, you can obviously use the natural translucent powder as I am using now. As you see, it is like what is it, like not a powdery consistency, since it's mixed with the CCTM. So here you get like a medium coverage, but at the same time you don't feel oily at all. So you can see I have pretty much used the half a pump. And now that our face is done, we are going to move to the next one. I brought the Shadow Sense because we are going to do Shadow Sense as eyeliner for today, and not only that, we are going to use Shadow Sense as our lip color too. So that's why what is it like? You can even use it as your blush and your eyeshadow obviously. So these are some of the choices I really like to wear as my lip, and also what is it like, an eyeliner. You can do the plasma pink shimmer, that will look really nice as a lip color, and you can do fiery coral shimmer, which is like a orangish shimmer. I think I have showed bandana shimmer already. The group will have the pictures of it, so you can do bandana shimmer if you wanted a red. You can do sun baked shimmer, which you, if you are looking for a pink. You can do desert rose too. Desert rose will work amazingly well for a lip. Or you can do deep plum, which is like a purpley one. Pretty much I think except denim, that is the only color you cannot wear it in your lips. Other than that, you can do pretty much anything. Here I have two more choices, either burgundy will look amazing as an eyeliner and lip color, or red. Let's go ahead with red because my outfit has some red things in it. So I'm going to do red as eyeliner first. By using it as an eyeliner, it may need a little bit more time than the normal eyeliner for it to set, and start small. And I'm going to use like a eyeliner brush. This is from Sigma. This is the E11 brush from Sigma, and I'm going to just touch it here and start doing it as an eyeliner. The first step to doing an eyeliner is obviously look down. That way you don't have to, what is it like, change the position at all, and always do like tiny lines and then connect it as a dot. You see, it will look really nice from your everyday look and give a what is it like, a good change of your routine, I would say. And it's so easy, you don't have to blend or anything, and it goes very smooth and it's going to stay all day. I'm going to use my other brush, and I'm going to take it to the lower corner too, and just like a blended out look. Since we are not using much products here, this will look really nice. Skip this and do the normal, what is it, like a pencil or a liquid liner too. So that's up to you anytime to customize it. And now that my eye is complete, I'm going to do the same Shadow Sense as my lip color. You can always use Shadow Sense to line your lips. If you're someone who likes to line very precisely, then you can obviously do it with Shadow Sense anytime. You can always do like a darker shade on the outer, and use like a, what is it, like a very lighter shade, lighter lip color in the middle, so that will really look like an ombre look. I like to use a brush when it comes to applying the shadow on the lips, because that will be easy, and you can control it well. But pretty much you can use even the Shadow Sense applicator itself if you are comfortable. This will obviously be like a matte lip look, since the color I have chosen is the matte color. But if you want, you can top it with glossy anytime if you want to be moisturizing, or you can leave it as it is. So this is the finished lip look. As you can see, it hardly, what is it like, you can make a difference whether you did with the Shadow Sense or with lip sense. So it won't last as long as lip sense for sure, but why not for a quick day and for a change when you have a product, you have tons of product here too, so you can always utilize it and create a different look, and pretty much you can use it as a blush too anytime. So that's the full look for today. So it's just 3 products, the natural translucent powder, CCTM, and a Shadow Sense color of your choice. So with Nagins, any makeup product, I would say you can play with it and make multiple use of it. And also they all have Cineplex complex in them, which is going to be like a anti-aging thing while you wear them, and none of them will clog your pores, whether it's our primer, which is like a pore and wrinkle minimizer. So it's like everything has a step of anti-aging to it, including our makeup remover, which I'll again has like a Cineplex complex in it. So just give these products a try. I'm sure you will love it. And all these looks I'm creating are just to give you an idea. This is not like you need to do exactly. It is just to show the versatility, and I wanted to limit to less than 5 or 4 products, because the purpose itself is to achieve it in 5 minutes, and where I don't want to have like 10 different one and to overwhelm you. So these are like just simple everyday ones, and when you do 2 or 3 combined, then you can take it into a full glam look. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.